seeing we made burgers, halloumi burgers today, I thought we're going to do it outside on the deck. Just quickly, what are we doing? On this side, in the griddle pan, we're going to fry some halloumi cheese. So, perfect, at Woolworths you would find these halloumi already cut perfectly. A little bit of spray and cook on your cast iron pan, and you put your halloumi on there, a nice warm cast iron pan. And on this side, we've got beautiful field mushrooms. So again, just spray and cook, and you can, on a high temperature, just put your mushrooms on there. This will take a little longer to cook, or you can fry it on both sides. Take it to the oven for 10 minutes. So I've pre-prepped that and it's ready. Tomatoes as well. Nice thick cut of tomato. And then eggplant or aubergine. Slice of that on, and then every now and again, like around about a minute or so, then you can flip it to the other side. Seasoning over here, I use the Ina Parman garlic and herb seasoning, and then the oil that I'm going to use, nothing better for me as Willow Creek truffle oil over the mushrooms. I've got some fresh rosemary here as well, so you can just flavor it with some fresh rosemary. And then a dash of Willow Creek lemon flavored olive oil on the halloumi slice. And then just flip it, and if you need to add a little bit oil, then you can just add more olive oil. While our vegetables are going on this side, I've got the halloumi cheese, and all you do is just sprinkle a little bit of fresh lemon juice over your cheese. So that is almost done. I'm going to put it off. You see it's nice and brown on the one side. So how to make the burgers? I just bought some Portuguese rolls. You take the basil pesto that I earlier made. So you spread some basil pesto on one side of your roll. Then over here, just to show you, is a mushroom. You put your mushroom, and then here is the eggplant, cooked eggplant, tomato, and then the perfectly fried halloumi cheese on top, and that is our mean burger. Should you decide not to use a hamburger roll, you can just do it without. But then I would suggest you fry 2 mushrooms, and that will then be your burger. And over here I've just got some sweet potato wedges that I just put in the oven with smoked paprika, lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. And I roasted this for about 20 minutes. So with the burger, we're going to serve a beautiful labourie MCC. This is the Blanc de Blancs, a perfect pairing for this delicious burger, and it's perfect for meat-free Mondays. So hopefully you guys at home will go try this recipe. Please, for more information on all the recipes we have done today, have a look on our Facebook page, The Little Pink Chef, or tlpchef.co.za.